Happy Tuesday, you guys. I just got to my Pilates class. I am actually taking a 2:30 class today. You guys know I normally take evening classes now, but the 2:30 slot is part of my evening class packet because I do a monthly, and today I had some filming to do, so it worked out. I'm like, you know what, let me try a 2:30 class. So here we are. I have like 5 minutes left, but I just got here. I actually got here like 10 minutes ago, but I was on FaceTime with Isabella. I'm wearing my new Yiddy set, and this sweatshirt is so good, you guys. I love the zip, like the high neck. It's so good. And then I have the leggings and the sports bra, and I love it. Oh, what is going on? My phone. Okay, but we're gonna go into the class. We're gonna have a good class, and then after this, we're gonna go grocery shopping because I need to start cooking more at home because we've been indulging in the eating out, which I'm okay with, but I also want to cook at home. Like, I need to have a nice little balance. So even though I was already thinking like, damn, Korean barbecue sounds so good. Actually, we have a little grill. Maybe we can make Korean barbecue at home. But then that means I would have to go to the Asian grocery store because they have all the meats. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, anyway, let's go into class. Oh, you guys. The way I feel after each class, this instructor, man, I thought Christina was hard, which is the other instructor, but Ashley, this is the other instructor. Woo-wee. My freaking legs were like this, you guys, like trembling. But I just finished the class. Such a good class. Thank you. Home sweet home, you guys. Oof, I'm hungry, I'm tired. It took forever to get here because there was so much traffic. Obviously, I'm never on that side of town at this time, but because I went to the grocery store, I was there for a bit. So then by the time I got on the freeway, traffic. But I bought so much stuff. I wanted to try, I bought these, they're not chips, they're kind of like onion rings, but they're made out of lentils, and I wanted to try them. These sour cream and onion lentil and rice cake snacks.
Your hands are
or
cold.
Rice snacks. Do you want to try these?
Oh, yummy. Lentil?
I know.
What are the benefits that we saw about our
Smells promising.
lesson?
No face.
No face.
It's like a taste of like Funyuns with sour cream.
Sour cream and onion.
Oh.
It's good. These are actually good. They're a little high on salt, and obviously they have the oils, but I don't know if it's because I'm hungry, but they're good. Have you guys had...
You know what I'm going to do though? Craving what you made last time with the cabbage, the pink cabbage or the red cabbage. A little bit of lime, a little bit of jalapeno. But that's usually what you do for fish tacos.
I bought that. I bought birria from Trader Joe's, you guys. I know, it's kind of like questionable, but we've had it and it's actually really good. Alright, we're gonna have bulgogi with kimchi. Obviously, I prefer to like I was gonna make albondigas, you guys. That's what the menu was today. But I'm so hungry, I can't. So we're gonna try the bulgogi. Alright, I was talking to my cousin and she asked me if I've ever had sauerkraut. And I said no, I've never had it. And she said, this is supposed to be really, really good for your gut. So we're gonna try it. And I bought some. No face.
I'm okay.
Try it.
I'm okay.
Babe,
Nope.
try it.
I saw your
Babe.
face.
Well, I have this right now, Mom.
This is bomb. I could eat this by the
It's like
spoonful.
curtido.
Yeah.
It was like Salvadorian curtido.
That is fucking bomb. No, Boo, I bought it for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, this is so good. Babe, did you like it? I could eat this alone. Highly recommend. Okay, you guys, we have a little feast going. So I made the bulgogi. I will say it's a little sweet for my liking. So we're balancing that sweetness with some greens. So Dennis is making some bok choy. We had some leftover rice, so we're gonna have a little bit of rice. And then I also washed some romaine, so I'm gonna eat it with the romaine. So I feel like that freshness and the crunch of the veggies is gonna help balance it out. And then I'm also gonna make a quick little ramen, just to have like a little soup. Obviously we have the kimchi over there, and that's what we're having for dinner. We're watching a new show called Fool Me Once. It's top 10 on Netflix. We're on episode 3. So far it's good. It's definitely one of those shows that has a ton of cliffhangers. So it's like at the end of every episode you want to watch the next one. But this is our little setup. So we have our sriracha, we have our romaine, the bulgogi, do my little ramen, kimchi, a little bit of rice, some bok choy, and the meat. Good morning. We are in Christmas PJs. Yesterday I got out of the shower and I grabbed my PJs, and these were the ones that I had just washed. And I'm like, you know what? Christmas PJs in January never hurt nobody. But anyway, today I actually have a call in 30 minutes for some work stuff, but I'm gonna make myself a matcha because I actually haven't made a matcha in a while and I kind of miss it. I've been drinking a little bit more coffee than usual, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it in this cute little cup that I got from the paw shop in my dog mom era. So like I said, I have a call this morning in about 30 minutes, so I want to make my matcha. And then I also want to film today. I want to get some content filmed. And then I also want to see if I could squeeze in a Pilates class at either 5:30 or 6:30, but I'm aiming more towards 5:30. And what else? Oh, we did want to go look at the new dishwasher. So we want to get a dishwasher for the kitchen, obviously. And since the guys, our contractors, are here working on the bathroom, we want to get as much house stuff done that we need. I also wanted to replace the pantry door. There's just like a lot of like little things that I want to work on. Yeah, I'm not sure about the pantry door because I haven't found one that I love. So I don't want to rush into that. I just let Otis out. Well, Betty, who the hell's Betty? Benji and Otis, I let them out to use the bathroom because they just had breakfast. And there was somebody walking their dogs, and Otis decided to go crazy. And they just got groomed yesterday, you guys, and it's wet outside because it's been raining. So it's all muddy. So now his paws are black. Now they're all super muddy. Oh yeah, yeah. I need to go find my Chobani creamer because I normally get it at like Whole Foods, but I haven't been to Whole Foods. I went to, where did I do my grocery shopping the other day? Oh, I did it all at Trader Joe's actually, and they don't have it there, so. Yum. I just remembered I bought new cups on Amazon. I should have used those. Okay, it's been a few hours, you guys. I have been so busy today. I actually made a little menu for the day. So I'm making fideo for lunch. We're gonna have fideo right now. And then I'm gonna make picadillo to make tostadas or enchiladas. I have 3 chicken breasts. My nails are killing me because 2 of them broke. They're like, oh, it's terrible. Anyway, I'm making 3 chicken breasts. I'm gonna boil them and I'm gonna make like a broth and then make a picadillo out of that. So I can make tostadas or I can make enchiladas today. Either way, tomorrow we're having what we're not having today. So if we have enchiladas today, we'll have tostadas tomorrow and vice versa. And then I also signed up to Pilates for 5:30 and 6:30, which I need to check. So I need to check to see if I got into either class, because I'm on the wait list for both. Don't think I'm gonna get into the class, which sucks. Because I'm 3 for the 5:30. What you guys right here? I'm 3rd on the wait list for the 5:30, and I'm 4th on the wait list for the 6:30. And I thought by now, I signed up like at 12, so that kind of sucks because I really wanted to go to Pilates today. But we still have time, so let you guys know what happens. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It is the next day. Yesterday, I ended up not vlogging after, oh my gosh, I don't even remember, but I made dinner. Actually, I made lunch, I made dinner. I spent what felt like the whole day in the kitchen. Let me see, can you guys, is it better if I put you over here? Oh, the sun is literally like in my face. We're on our way to an event with Stanley and Bala, which I'm really, really excited about. I actually haven't been to any events this year. This is my first event. I haven't really been in the mindset to attend events, but I feel like this one was a good one because it's a Pilates class. I thought it would be a fun one, and you guys are gonna get to come along. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film, but definitely bring you guys along. Cute. We just got back to the valley, you guys. The class was so intense. I tried to film as much as I could, but it's really hard filming when you're in a workout class. But I had never done a hot Pilates class. And not only that, this was a different machine. I normally do the like reformer. I don't know what kind of Pilates this was, but it was definitely harder, but it was a good class. They did give me a new Stanley. This is, I think, their 30 ounce, which I really like this size. I think I love this more than like the one that I have. It's smaller, more practical. So anyway, got a new Stanley. And then I decided to come to Trader Joe's because last night Dennis and I were craving carrot muffins, and you know, we feel like that's a little bit on the healthier side. We were craving like a new dessert, and we feel like that can be a healthy dessert. So I looked up a healthy recipe. So I came to Trader Joe's to pick up the things that I need for that. So I'm gonna get that and then like a few other essentials. Back home, and here is my Trader Joe's haul. They actually didn't have 90% of the things that I went there for because I wanted to for the carrot muffins, and they didn't have a lot of baking stuff. The only thing they had was this vanilla extract that I needed, and also the coconut oil, but other than that, they didn't have anything else. But I did get these cinnamon rolls because I've been craving cinnamon rolls. Try those out. I got some blueberries, some nuts for our smoothies. These are the ones that we made last during like Vlogmas. They were very yummy. We just overcooked them, so I bought them again so that we can make them, and this time not overcook them. Our English muffins, a little restock on eggs, chia seeds. This peanut butter is actually really good. I need to look at the ingredients to see if it's, you know, a healthy version of peanut butter. And then I also got these little Bambino pepperoni pizzas because sometimes I'm craving pizza and I don't want to have to order a whole pizza. So I just got those for myself, and that is literally it. The most random Trader Joe's run, but also necessities. And now that I am back home, I'm gonna obviously put all of this away and also have some lunch. I did go to Prince Street Pizza because it's right next to the Pilates studio, and I got a slice of pizza, but I only ate half of it. Brought the other half to my brother because I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, I just worked out, why am I having pizza? But I was craving it, but it's all in portions. So I had half of it, and then I had my protein bar. So I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make a salad, and I'm gonna have some of my fideo that I made yesterday. I made fideo and picadillo. So I'm gonna have that for lunch. Put all this away. I am just trying to figure out why Dennis asked for eggs when there's an entire dozen in there, and then there's still some in here. And I bought two, thinking that we didn't have any. So, not sure. Literally, we have so many eggs now. Why would he do that? Okay, these expire February 17th. And then these expire February 10th. So we have some time. But still, I'm like, wait, I don't know. I don't know why he asked for eggs. I'm gonna make a salad. Made fideo yesterday. This is the last of it. So I'm gonna finish this. Well, not finish it, but you know, have some of that. And then I also made picadillo. But I'm gonna have some of my fideo and I'm gonna make a salad. I like to buy these little mini sweet peppers at Trader Joe's, and I cut them up, put them in my salad. Carrots, garbanzo beans, corn, kidney beans, and with my dressing. This is one of my favorite dressings. It's from Health Nut, and it's their original house. It tastes so good. It's kind of like an Italian, but it's so yummy. So that is what I'm gonna have, and I'll probably make some tuna for some protein. And I'm just gonna have this right now. And also, I don't want this romaine to go bad, so I'm gonna cut that up. I'm gonna call Dennis, see if he wants. I can make him some, and yeah. Yeah, and then it was heated. I've never done a heated. So I was like drenched in sweat. It must have been like, I don't know, it felt like 80 degrees in there. All right, So here are the salads assembled. I added garbanzo beans, kidney beans, corn, carrot, lettuce, and then I also made tuna, but it's literally just tuna with kimchi. There's nothing else in it, and so I'm just going to top that on. That's going to be our protein with the dressing. Dennis is adding avocado to his for a healthy fat. And these are the salads. And I like to have, we have leftovers, so I'm going to put that in a bag and put it in the fridge. But I like that everything is already kind of sectioned out, like the not the green beans, the garbanzo beans, kidney beans, corn. So you just literally assemble your salad. Yeah, we had this for lunch yesterday as well. So, and then these salad bowls, I think I got them at Home Goods a while ago.